Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating hardware because the model you run depends on it. Check GPU memory and drivers, and if you lack a GPU, choose lightweight models instead. Once done, create a Python virtual environment and install packages so dependencies stay isolated. Make sure CUDA and cuDNN versions match your drivers. Mismatches cause silent failures. Finally, allocate sufficient disk and RAM before downloading weights, so the process doesn't stall mid-transfer. Next, install the framework and the specific model repository. You need the exact version referenced by the model. Then pull tokenizer and model weights, converting formats only when required by your runtime. Once weights are local, configure runtime settings, reduce batch size, or enable half precision to fit memory, or set up CPU/SSD offload to prevent OOM errors. Also set up a simple API or CLI wrapper so you can interact with the model reliably. Finally, launch a short inference to validate everything. You want to see correct tokens and acceptable latency. If performance lags, profile resource usage and then tweak precision or batch size, or enable offloading and caching. Make sure to persist model caches to avoid repeated downloads. If runs fail, first verify drivers and CUDA/cuDNN compatibility. Then recreate the virtual environment and reinstall packages. This often resolves hidden version conflicts. One key tip: check logs for exact library version errors before changing settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.